What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Natural Gearhead, along with my videographer for the day, my son. What's going on?
Nothing.
Alright, there is stuff going on, actually. So, you've seen in the last video this truck right here we picked up for the engine, traded a topper for it, and we just want to harvest the heart and probably part out the rest. I don't know. We're going to look it over real quick today and just see what we got. See what's in there. And you saw in the last video, if you didn't see it, go back, check it out real quick. We got it to fire up, which was awesome. So let's just go over this thing real quick and just see what we got. All right, let's head on inside here. Oh yeah, right away, door panel. Hey, switches there. Ooh, menthol flavor. Nope, nothing. Oh, not even a chicken nugget left. Come on. Look at that, extendo cab. Actually, it looks pretty good. Glass is good. Hey, there's stuff in here. Let's climb up and see. All right, some headlights. How they looking? Like Chevy cat eye headlights normally do. Foggy. Might be able to clean them up so I can resell them. Hey, look at that tailgate cover. What else we got in here? Ooh, warranty. Dude, this baby got a warranty? Come on. Might still be good. What do you think? Door panel. Let's see what she's looking like. Seat looks pretty good. Door panel's in pretty good shape. Seat, actually, pretty nice. Hey, here's the grill. Look at that. Here, I'm gonna hand that out to you. All right. Hey, look, the dash piece. She's primo. A little crack right there. Interior cover piece. We got, here's the passenger seat. Actually, looks really nice. Not attached, but nice. Let's see what else we got. That's the centerpiece. It's there. What else we got in here? Anything? I see a vent down there. We got the radio, which does work and verified. The gauges we put in. Still got the console up there. Looks decent. All right. Let's move on to the outside. See what we got going on. All right. So we found a few stragglers. We didn't see at first coming out of the interior, but on the way out, saw this little guy, whatever he is, lizard maybe, frog guy. You see the rocker has seen better days. Yep. All right. We kind of set the seat back in there for now. Little wasp nest. Thank goodness nobody's home. Kick him off there. All right, let's go to the back. All right. Come around to the back. Looks like we continue with the weight elimination process the natural way. Missing an axle. Do have the leaves. I did get the U-bolts. Took a little hit here, so this bed basically we are not going to be able to get anything for this bed. It's destroyed. Looks like the third brake light's pretty good. Somebody might need that. These tail lights, aftermarket tail lights. I'm wondering if I can kind of clean those up and shoot them with a clear and actually tint them a little bit. Tailgate looks nice, actually. The plastic's a little beat up, and then this piece here, the trim we did find in there. All right, it worked. So I did clean a bunch of the trash out here last night, just throwing it out. You've seen what was in there. There was shoes and cardboard and flower pots and you name it. There was all kinds of stuff. There was a bunch of clothes in here, but the guy had taken them actually before we took the truck. So these are a few things I just threw back in. It looks like the lower piece of the front end. I'm going to go ahead and hose all this out. We got some Nerf bars. I'm not sure if these are for this extended cab. These almost look like single cab, which he had a single cab, so I know he was swapping parts around. Drive shaft, nice little tool there. We got a piece of rebar. I'll hose all this out. tailgate with the bumper line. Decent. I know we drug it pretty hard getting it on the trailer. Yeah, ding here, bumper's kind of shot. Somebody might want it, I guess, if theirs is really beat up. Taillight, same condition, obviously. Same thing going on over here. Rocker panels destroyed. Driver's side, but the mirror's good. The door looks good. That door over there looked good. This door looks good. All the glass is good. Fender looks nice. I mean, I don't know what the market is. I never really parted one of these out. But the door panel's nice. You know, somebody might need these interior pieces. Decent floor mats. We could probably use those in one of our projects, actually. I mean, they look pretty nice. Hey, look at that, huh? Oh, does it work? Yes. Harbor Freight light. Dude, I've got a few of these. These are actually really handy. They're magnetic. They got a hook that pops out. You can hang it places. I mean, obviously they're cheap, but they're handy. We got some more trim pieces. What's this? Oh, some instructions. Tow light kit. I didn't see that anywhere, but apparently when they towed it. Yeah, this here, look here, huh? Boom. We're gonna make this, look at that. Truck's pretty much restored at this point. You know what I'm saying? Not really. Extra key, non-chip edition. Just safety on there. The key is in it. Tilt column, gauges are in it. I don't know if somebody's gonna need that. Oh, we got the mirror. It's got the temp and compass built in. All that stuff. I'm gonna see if anybody wants to buy any of this stuff. In the end, we'll probably end up just hauling it to the scrap yard. I think anything that doesn't sell. But for now, not bad. Not bad. He threw these tires on, which they got great tread, but it is dry rotted. These lug nuts were mine. It didn't have no wheels or nothing on it. He had a couple laying around. We just slammed them on there so we could at least roll the front and drag the thing on here with my winch. So a lot of these light bulbs and stuff actually turn on. I turned the key on accident, and these turned on, so I might just keep these bulbs and stuff for myself, or, you know, if anything burns out in this truck here, a lot of that stuff's the same. Got some tow hooks on there. I think it looks pretty, oh, the hood. Let's take a look at the hood. Let me take this camera from you. Oh, yeah. She's got some dings here. Not terrible. I mean, it could definitely be worked. Other than that, the hood looks really good. Oh, palm tree's attacking me. Yeah, the hood looks really good. These couple things here, which some people might not even be worried about, but if you're doing a color change, you'd just skim those, maybe knock them out a little from the inside and skim those, and you'd be good to go. So overall, not too bad. And for what we need, that stuff's looking real good. All right. All right, let's take a look under the hood at the old power barn here. All right, so here she is. 2004, 5.3 liters of Fury. This battery is out of my S10 over there. Got a little bit of corrosion on the alternator, but we did verify in the last video, if you saw it, it does charge. And this baby runs. I didn't hear any noises. What I might do is see if I can get the miles to come up on the gauges in there. Now, whether or not those are the gauges for this truck, I don't know, because they were out, and I know he was swapping stuff around with his truck, and possibly, I believe on these, the mileage stays in the cluster, not in the ECU. So if he swapped it, then so would that. That would go with it. But I could look. Looks like there's a sticker on the back of the cluster. Since that dash is out, I can see it. I'm not sure if there's a number that'll tie it to this truck, but I can look around and then just turn it on, just see what the number says. If we can get that to pull up, just maybe we'll have an idea what's on it. I don't know. He said like 170,000, but I'm not sure about that. I don't know. It looks kind of rough for 170 to me, but depending on where it lived. I know it was here in Florida. It was in Tennessee and also Kentucky before that. That's all I know about it. Radiator looks good. Fluid looks good. We got the stock air filter, which I like that, but it means that this thing really hasn't been messed with. It was just driven. Take a look at the oil. He's a little low, but we are doing the Tennessee tilt here, the Carolina squat, or whatever you call it, since we don't know rear end, but it looks dirty, which is what I like to see. I like seeing dirty oil because it means they didn't change it, they ain't hiding nothing. Oh boy. That isn't great. He did say the transmission was slipping, and I think I believe it. That looks pretty rough. That looks pretty rough, ain't gonna lie. Let's check the old steering juice here. Just for giggles. Oh yeah, clean, smells good. There's some on the stick. Can't really beat that. Belt, whatever, it's there and it works. Probably end up changing that when we do the swap anyways. All right, I think that's about it. Let's get this bed cleaned out real quick, and I'll see you back there. Got the also Harbor Freight. One of my other videos with the white S10. Cleaning up, doing the foam wash on my daughter's S10. So let's see if we can hose this thing out. Hopefully there ain't too much nails or anything in here. Just gonna get my yard. Oh yeah. Not too bad, not too bad. Alright, well, it's a good thing we put this stuff right here. Now we gotta clean all this. Alright, I ain't gonna bore you through that. Let me clean it up and I'll come right back. Alright guys, that's it. That's the walk around, and that's what we're working with. So we're gonna list some of these parts, the fender, doors, some of the interior parts, hood, whatever. Try to get rid of some of that, make a little money back on it. Which, like I said, we traded for the cap, but I did buy the cap, so we're still in the hole technically at this point. So we're gonna rob the heart out of this thing, motor, trans. Hopefully that motor, at some point we'll make another video, we'll jam it in one of these S10s. Well, we have to get the motor out of that one first, but we'll film that whole process. The transmission, the guy said was slipping, which I believe that is accurate. I saw the fluid, it's terrible. So we're gonna pull that out. Thinking about making a video. I've never rebuilt one, so I'm thinking about making a video on it, and we can learn together, so that you can watch me mess up, so that hopefully you don't have to. And that's the plan with that. And I think that's it. I appreciate you watching. Please like, subscribe, share the video if you would. Trying to build the channel a little bit and get some more of this content coming out. We're trying to stay on like a weekly basis of posting. So that's it. Bye for now. Say bye, son.
Bye, son.
It's gonna be a long day. All right. Bye, guys.